Asbestos cement is a combination of fireproof asbestos and thin sheets of cement that used to be popular as a material in situations where fire was a danger. In Doughty versus Turner Manufacturing, the England and Wales Court of Appeals considered one of the surprising behaviors of asbestos cement under extremely high heat and its importance to questions of foreseeability. Turner Manufacturing's heat treatment department contained two thick-walled cauldrons full of a viscous liquid of sodium cyanide heated to 800 degrees centigrade. Workers would carefully dip metal objects into the liquid to harden them. When not in use, the cauldrons were covered with asbestos cement lids designed for this sort of bath and widely used in the industry. One day, an employee named Doughty entered the heat treatment department to deliver a message. Somehow, an asbestos cement cover got knocked into one of the cauldrons, slipping in without a splash. No one worried about it. Two men peered into the bath to see where the cover had gone. Suddenly, the liquid in the bath exploded. Doughty and several other workers were burned. Subsequent investigation revealed what had happened. When subjected to temperatures over 500 degrees, oxygen and hydrogen atoms in the asbestos cement combined to form water. This water instantly turned to steam that caused the molten heat treatment liquid to explode. Doughty sued Turner for personal injuries. The trial judge found that it must have been common knowledge that dropping objects into the cauldron would cause explosions and that Turner should have taken every possible precaution to prevent this. The judge held that Turner had been negligent and was therefore liable for Doughty's injuries. Turner appealed to the England and Wales Court of Appeals.